Horses out for that second leg of the Triple Crown Stakes Race Series. We have gone static past the begin. Danori inside is Lord of War. Racing in third, Barclay. Then followed by Hari ng Yambo. Arvin Dugo alongside Pipa. Magna Carta is down in 6. Maker's Mark. Then comes The Rock and Tensile Strength. Trails the field by about 9 to 10 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Lord of War, the leader this time by Oralenga. And in second is Constatic. Barclay is racing in third alongside fourth Hari ng Yambo. Racing in fifth Magna Carta, Arvin Dugo. Then moving up on the outside the rack, second last Maker's Mark. And a long way back to Tensile Strength. We have a Lord of War, still the leader by Oralenga and Hapa. Constatic in second, Hari ng Yambo is on the outside together with Barclay. Then comes Magna Carta in fifth, Arvin Dugo, Daraga, Maker's Mark and Tensile Strength. And it's still Lord of War by Oralenga. Barclay still in second, and in third moving up Danori inside is Constatic, Magna Carta, Hari ng Yambo, Arvin Dugo, Maker's Mark. Then followed by Daraga. We have Lord of War still the leader by Oralenga. Magna Carta is on the outside, Darak now in third. Then here comes Maker's Mark. As the fields turn for home, it's going to be exciting. Lord of War on the outside is Magna Carta. Racing in there is Darak. Magna Carta now takes the lead. Lord of War is running by the rail. Magna Carta. Lord of War is running by the rail. Magna Carta followed by Lord of War. And finally, Magna Carta, Lord of War, Tensile Strength. Then comes Arvin Dugo, the wreck. Number 2, Constatic.